So okay. So Raj or Ashwin, whoever want to send a send-off message first, can first you have the first right to kick him.
And then we'll finish with Prakhar giving a long speech, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Prakhar,
Prakhar,
man.
You got the cake. Can you say what is written there on cake?
Yeah, fine, goodbye. I'm gonna post all the pictures. Like I've taken all the pictures, which I've sent to you personally on WhatsApp.
Just say the text first. What Pillai has written for you?
Fine, go, goodbye.
Goodbye.
I actually told this to my brother. Ki, like it must be Pillai. When I saw it, I had said like it's Pillai. For sure.
Actually, I want a kick, but then it's not. It's publicly probably it's be problem for you to tell that you are being kicked.
No, it's
Hey, so Biswa is trying to get in there. Biswa.
What about Vinay? Vinay has joined? No?
No, Vinay doesn't have an internet itself, so he can't even join.
No, he works using that dongle, I think. That's what he was saying.
Yeah.
And Vinay
Okay,
and
Biswa is
Pillai
also
will
coming.
miss Prakhar Max.
No, my training. I don't need any more training from him actually because I am a master in that now.
oh.
Hey,
Prakhar
but
is guru
after 3
of
o'clock, man, see, he's your pal from 3 to 8.
Yeah,
No,
but he has given
no
enough
pal.
training. There was something which he was training me.
Pillai is guru of the two most eligible bachelor of our team, Vinay and Pillai. Prakhar is guru.
Okay.
So Prakhar gave me training
Prakhar
for
is a guru.
using an app, and I have now become master. I have two success from that one.
Super.
Okay, we'll talk about this offline, I guess.
Yeah,
He's feeling shy, man.
Pillai got a cook and a
but
maid,
I am the one who should feel shy for that. No? Why should he feel shy for that?
It's like a bad witness.
You have crossed. You have crossed Nirvana, Pillai. So shy, happiness doesn't matter for you.
Yeah.
Pillai, Prakhar is like that coaching center, na, when somebody tops and he has to. Prakhar is become like that only.
He can take my photo and put as a referral. No? They are the success candidates from my training institute.
Yeah, reference.
Like this person was bachelor from last 55 years. Finally.
It's like
No,
that.
but
Success rate was very negligible, but still the way
yeah, after two different states, I got only two success. Da?
That's what I told Billion. Like, don't lose hope. Just keep on going.
Yeah, so what I am saying, two state. I covered two state with 150 kilometers diameter.
discussion is going on some different direction. Let's not go there.
Yeah, let's not get into this one.
Yes,
Let's get to your.
Yeah,
Okay,
please
so-
refer the course material for further details.
None of you people require it. Ashwin and Raj, you can take care now from onwards.
So nobody's singing for Prakhar today?
There won't be any song for that, na?
That's a different event which is happening.
I thought that was organized for your farewell thing.
Oh, some kids event and all.
That was a different
Kids was last month, so this time I think elder.
Elder, sir. So who are taking part actually? Madhaj, you are?
No. Shambhavi is there today. So
What are you doing in this one?
So
Let's wrap this up. Shambhavi has to go and perform.
she is the first singer today. So if you want to listen,
How do you know?
I am part of the committee, no?
Okay, Shambhavi, you can, if you want to do a trials, you can do the here now.
No, that's okay. We'll finish up.
Okay. Let's say Ashwin, you can continue. We will not disturb you now.
Biswa, can you enable your video?
I thought I'll hook up that event with Prakhar's farewell, but then anyway, Shambhavi is backing off. But anyway, hey Prakhar, It was awesome, man. Having you with the team. I mean, it's been almost 2 years, right?
Yeah, more than 2 years.
Correct. So amazing, man. You've been a fun-loving guy for sure. You've been part of so many fun events, organizing those events, not just for our team, but then for Ariba as well. All right. So I'm sure. I mean, whenever someone comes across you, it's the cheerfulness that you spread, right? We'll be missing you, man. I mean, in short, we'll be missing you.
Yeah.
So
Have
what was
fun.
I doing till now?
No, you will be his backup, right? That's what you mentioned. You got a lot of learning from him, so you will be the guy who will be taking it forward anyway.
Okay, so I'm still in consideration. Okay, then continue.
Hey, Prakar, consider having good haircuts, man. Makes me feel bad at least.
Okay, I'll try.
Cool. Take care. Wish you best of luck for all your future endeavors. Right. Have fun. Take care. All the best.
Thank you.
Yeah, who is the next guy? Raj.
Soumya is there.
Hey, Soumya.
Fine.
You are not in the music talent festival.
Me, yeah, they will all run off.
Okay, Raj, it's your option now. Your stuff. What it is?
I will go next because I need to drop off in next 5-6 minutes. Sad to see you go, but I believe you're still in SAP, right?
Yeah.
That's the good part.
But Raj, he was only young blood in the team.
Yeah, no.
So I'm sure the statistically you're gonna make a serious dent to our average age of the team. Okay.
Bringing the team down.
Not just the number of year
just
of
to add-
experience.
Physical age, not mental age, actually.
No, I was not saying with just by number of years only. It also by SAP experience and all. You're gonna make a serious dent for sure. But like I said, I'm sure been fun around having you. Best of luck. I'm sure you'll do good wherever you are going. You are in SAP. We are all still accessible to you. You are accessible to us. Your I number is not going to change, I believe. So,
He will still disturb us.
or it is correct? Is it changing?
No, it
I
won't
haven't
change.
Okay.
So
Good.
let's do this, Raj.
So yeah,
Let's not disable his Jira account also.
No, everything is there. So, even like today, I see some reviews still go to Surendra. So you might see some issue coming your way. So, but besides that point, best of luck, man. We're having you fun. Having you here was fun. That's what I meant.
Thank you.
Okay, done.
So, Pillai, what are you eating?
Fruits. My lunch, no? Lunch fruits.
Quarantine food. They call it as quarantine food. Okay.
No, I thought like he got some send off things, right? So he's eating.
No, everyone was supposed to get something to eat. What is this? Nobody is eating anything. I am the only one who's having.
Yeah.
You are only
Who's
in
having
quarantine.
snacks?
People are in home. You are in quarantine center.
No, I still have food. See, I have food. Cherries, tomato, like mangoes. See,
So now next, we
what
are
are
running
those
out of
people
time.
eating now? Okay. Now, Prakar, you can tell whatever you want. Cut your cake, eat, smash.
Yeah,
He got a cake.
Pillai,
Yeah.
I think before that, I think we should have more people talk about Prakar, man. I mean, we have PK, Soumya.
Yeah, I'll go next.
Guys.
Yeah.
I'll go next. I have to leave. So
Yeah, Sham.
Yeah. Please. But-
so Prakhar, it was nice working with you. All the best.
Hey, but that's the same thing which everyone is going to tell. Say something different.
Ambhavi, you can SMS that.
What is
Shambhavi,
that?
all the best for your singing thing.
Yeah.
She has to go for that only.
Yeah. I have to go for that one. I
Yeah.
have to make.
Okay. Enjoy. Bye.
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 Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Manisha
Okay.
wants
Who
to
goes
say
next?
something.
You have another 10 minutes, 15 minutes now.
Hey, BK.
PK
Go, man.
Prashant, why you
Pick up.
people are not talking?
No,
Yeah.
I am talking
Shukla, he
only.
hasn't spoken for a while. Come on.
Manisha, you also can talk. Manisha,
No,
Tara
for
can talk.
Prakhar actually.
Okay. So
Okay.
Prakhar
Okay,
is a good
Pillai,
guy.
take names. Pillai. Yeah, go ahead, PK. Yeah.
Prakhar is a good guy. He's very good guy. He is a night guard of the whole building. Whenever everyone goes home, he will be in office. He can accompany you in snacks, nighttime dinner, game, swimming pool, everything. But he is always available. And anyway, he was not
My God,
happy.
blushing, man.
He was not happy with the. Actually, he was not happy with the environment. Ashwin, you have provided in his surrounding. I don't think it's work or something else. It's the environment and average age of the surrounding which forced him to go to SAP Labs.
Yeah.
Yeah, very. Actually,
Hey,
no.
but he's
right?
he's still contributing to the overall average age of SAP.
Right.
People like Yogi and Pillai.
His database was good actually.
So other
Just
than
to
this,
add to the
I want to add one more thing that whatever he will do comprehensively. For example, no one knows that he is a Git expert. If I will get any problem in Git, I will directly approach to him online, offline, and he will give the solution. Because we know a lot
But
of.
you have to approach with a different name.
That is for you. For us, it's a normal name only. So Prakhar, all the best. We'll keep meeting in DComs and all here and there.
Sure. Not just corporate events, we can meet like otherwise as well. Not in
Okay,
So
Shukla
you
ji.
didn't cut the cake, Prakhar.
cake, huh? And I should cut the cake and eat it myself.
Yeah.
because anyway, Pillai won't let us eat those cakes bloody here in online also.
Even if it's an office, I won't allow you to eat.
That's what I'm saying.
To increase by another 120 kgs down.
Okay, cut the cake.
Yeah. Let's go.
We would like to see the cake, man.
Prakhar, record this video, man. This could be a promotional video for you.
I don't know.
Someone is already recording.
No, you can record a different one with Pillai.
No, I am recording it and we will make it IDC awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm talking about the other platforms other than SAP.
Yeah, have it, cake.
Okay, good one.
Man.
Okay, we are all having something, da. We're all having.
Thank you.
Soumya, please.
Hey, what cake is that?
Shukla ji.
Chocolate cake, no?
Chocolate cake.
Yeah, continue, Shukla.
Yeah, just to add, sorry, a plane is going over. So,
Supersonic.
yeah. So just to add the PK's remarks, why do you think that Prakhar is on every organizing committee for the newcomers? So there is a different agenda altogether for it. So fun apart, actually having Prakhar, was good for us. His energy rubs on us, so then we also feel physically younger also. Mentally we are younger than him, but physically is also important. So it's good to have Prakhar because every time we go for lunch, he'll make sure that we walk for 3-4 kilometers after somebody, but we walk. So I'm gonna miss those kind of fun-related topic discussions. I'm sure Pillai might elaborate more on that, but yeah. So it's good
I
to
don't
have.
have. I'm expert in all those things. I'm not. I don't consider him as that in that.
Just
Hey,
for sake-
Sidhven.
Hey,
Sidhven,
Sidhven, what's up?
Bye.
Yeah, so that's from my
Sidhven, nice
Luck, man.
haircut, Sidhven.
This uncle will kill you, my brother. Careful.
Yeah.
Who goes next? Ashok. Who
Be,
wants to?
be careful from PK uncle.
Why?
Yeah,
गमछा तुम्हारा गमछा देख के डर जाएगा वो.
Now it's fine.
Okay. You're already late. Now let's continue.
Hey, Soumya, you want to
Babu,
go? I think you are
Ashok,
planning to
go
talk,
ahead.
right? Soumya,
Soumya
go
is
ahead.
another neighbor. Soumya is
yeah.
another neighbor.
Yeah, it was really nice actually having him next to us. Right? Haircut, the hairstyle. So you get to know like now what does this new generation are into. So we'll miss that also. Yeah, it was nice working with you, Prakhar. All the best.
Thank you so much. Yes, same.
That's what I now. This might be the reason for him leaving. He thought he's working with a bunch of old people. He was not like-minded people. He was like, "Let me run away from here."
Yeah. Maybe that is the first reason, I guess.
No, definitely not because I have a point like it's
When-
not about the age because to be honest, I have people in many teams like people who joined along with me, and this is the most happening team when it comes to events.
Hey,
Oh,
that
it's-
is too much, da. Hey, Raj is left. Raj is still there, da. He's on mute. He's not able to hear. So you don't have to tell all
You
this.
have to repeat.
It's time for me to
Circle
leave.
also
I
takes
need to
it.
jump off this meeting. Prakhar, good
Okay,
luck
Raj.
and keep in touch, man.
Yes, same. Thank you, Raj.
Yeah, Raj is leaving. Now you can tell. That's okay.
That credit goes to you also because you were there in all the events being organized within the team.
Yeah.
No, I'll say like he's the organization. I'm just like, I'm there to help him. Like if he says like, I need this thing, I'm like, yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, organizing thing. I think PK is the guy who takes responsibility of all the events or everything. Like to have some events going on within the team. So yeah, like
Credit goes to PK.
Babu, you next. We are having only 10 minutes.
Yeah. Hey, Prakhar, all the best, man. I think we'll definitely be in touch, right? Anyway, you're going into that, not going away, right? You're still in the thick of things with us, right? And even for the guys who moved out, right? We're all still in touch, right? That's the good thing about this team, right? We're all look at all the faces around, right? We all spent 10 years, 15 years together, right? So other than this lockdown, I think we have spent more time with each other than with the families, right? So that's the advantage of this team.
Oh, you are using my mobile.
Huh? Who?
Hey, Biswa.
Biswa, that
Who is using your mobile?
Hey, my son is using my mobile, man, and
fight offline, dude.
Yeah, I'm audible, man. I was surprised.
Okay, good.
You are visible also.
Can you see me also?
Yes.
No.
Be careful.
Where are you?
Okay.
Some lockdown?
Yeah, I
You're
mean,
in some quarantine center.
Hey guys, I'm just wondering. Except Prakhar, all you guys seems to have a haircut. How did you guys manage to have a haircut?
Prakhar also had a haircut, by the way.
Prakhar also had one, by the way, 20 days back.
Oh.
Biswa, this is called Atmanirbhar. Prime Minister say na, we are Atmanirbhar. So, Nitin, Mahesh, you all, Anna, please speak some good words.
Yeah. So let me just complete. So Prakhar, all the events, right? Your participation. I mean, I will not forget the catches you have taken during that cricket match.
And
right?
dropped.
So it's okay. That is, no one is perfect, right? So he just wanted to prove that point. But awesome, man. Keep in touch. Do well, right? Wherever you go, we'll be in touch, right?
Sure.
All the
Thank
best.
you. Thank you.
Yeah, I will
Okay.
probably. I had a talk with Prakhar anyway
Yeah.
that time. So Prakhar is the most coolest guy. Guys. Cool, calm. See, any feature that we had worked, right? Anything. We had 50 Excel import, right? We had about more than 50 diff bugs. But he is keeping so calm and 10 bucks. Okay, it's okay. Oh, Pradeep, you have logged this. I will fix it like that. That is how he was. Just calm, cool. So nice guy. Like nothing to worry. He will always fixing. Perfect. Perfect. Banda tha hamare liye. We will miss you. Prakhar,
Something
for
new to
sure.
hear, da.
Huh?
Something new to listen to. Hey, Prakhar, are you the same person he's talking about?
Prakhar is also joining first time.
You're going to get a LinkedIn. You're going to get a LinkedIn note, Harry.
Yeah, Prakhar acha tha, like, nice guy. They work with lot of features also, and any.
He even looks surprised. Prakhar it looks surprised. Was I so helpful?
Meeting has been upgraded by the host. It says. I don't know what is it. Okay.
Yes,
No, he extended.
Go to ending 40.
Extended.
we don't have time limit now.
Okay. Okay, who goes next? Who wants to say bye?
Me.
Yeah, me. Hey, your video itself not coming in, but
Click on your video.
Yeah, I don't know. There's something wrong with the video, but it helps, yeah. Otherwise, you will see the hairs and my beard.
That's okay. You are not John Abraham, no? So we're to get surprised and that.
Anyway, we can assume it.
We can still assume it.
Let's come to the point.
People assume.
What's that, Manisha?
Bishwa, we'll report this to Mamta Banerjee, okay?
People start assuming better show.
Yeah, assumptions are good.
Hey, Prakhar,
That's
we
okay.
enjoyed, man. Yeah, seriously, coming at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock and being so cool. Whether you were following the footsteps of Pillai. If anyone could have beaten him, it would have been you. Okay.
No,
Today,
this is one
hey,
side
Biswa,
of coin.
Pillai recognizes
This is one side of
recognizes
the
him as
coin.
Guru today. So, yeah.
Vishwa, this is one side of coin. This guy comes to 11 o'clock, but he goes also at 11 o'clock night.
that I know. वो सब बंद करके जाता है एकदम. But Pillai has an excuse for going to swimming, but this guy I don't know. He goes at 11, and again you call him. You and
Hey,
that's what's amazing.
What were the meeting rooms for? Na? That was the locked ones, na?
Yes. And then the other thing is PK will miss you badly, or our team will miss you because you are the one go-to guy to get the samosas, the cake, whatever was needed.
See what all things
What
he will
was
remember
battery?
for samosa and all.
Serious? अरे balcony से दिख रहा है समोसा वाला खुल गया यार हमारे यहाँ, and I can't go to get it.
This one sounds really serious, Pillai.
Prakhar, you should start a side business. Prakhar.
Yeah, but Prakhar, you since I think today is maybe your last day in Ariba, so you will be moving. So you moved out when you were in quarantine?
I wasn't in quarantine during this lockdown.
I mean, in lockdown, you. Oh,
Yeah.
Well, he missed us so much.
Okay. He missed some other people, na? That's why he's decided.
Maybe those guys are there in SAP.
Yeah.
All the best, Prakhar.
Hey guys, I need to go for another meeting too. So we'll catch up later. Okay, Prakhar.
Bye. Is that your daughter's room? You are sitting in your daughter's room, there.
You know that room, right? She kicked me out of the
room.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, Praveen.
Okay, who goes next?
Hey, Prakhar, by the way, how is your fitness going, man? Cure Fit, whatever.
Not regularly.
That's gone, nah?
Yeah, once or twice in a week I do some workout.
No games, no sports?
They have those sessions, 1 hour session, half an hour session. It's optional. So I either join those sessions or I do it like some for 15-20 minutes. I do it some personal.
Even old time also, he never intended to go to gym for exercise.
That's where I was coming to.
Or now for that he's going to departmental store. Nitin,
Hey, this
Yogi
recording
ji,
needs to be censored, okay? Recording needs to be censored. PK.
Oh, it's about Prakar. That's a public information.
Manisha,
Okay, I'll go next, man. I'll go next. So I think Pillai and Prakar, those were the two guys whom I have always, they have been my friends from 3 o'clock till 6 o'clock when I used to be in office. So I all remember all the fun chats, all the good times spent with you guys.
Only two jobless guys
Prakar,
there.
huh? So
Only
Prakar,
two jobless
definitely we
guys
are
in the
going to
team.
miss you. All the talks we had and all the fun activities we had, definitely going to miss you. And as all said, two main things. I'm also going to say the guy, always go-to guy for getting anything, sweets or anything. So thanks for that. I remember you brought on my birthday as well. So
but
I'll always remember that.
Gujia was not fresh.
So, yeah, that one remark will be there in, on your Facebook as well.
I thought you were asking about go-to guy for Afim, Chak, Charas, Gala and all the stuff.
That I never
Yeah,
ordered,
instead
man.
samosa kachari comes there. Say
Yeah.
something good about him, da. Not samosa cake and all. Da. Prashant,
second
that's the
good thing
right
I'm
things
going to
actually
tell
for
is-
which he has to be.
Yeah. Second good thing I'm going to tell about him is definitely he is going to reduce the average age of the. After him, it is going to increase average age. So definitely we are going to miss him.
Now Pillai is
All
worried
the
that
best.
now
All
to
the best,
maintain
Prakar.
the average age, Babu should not fire him.
It will become a much better die if I go. It will be average will be very good actually.
Very less.
But then I will not leave. I will make sure that your average is always very bad. Okay. Next.
Okay,
Bye
I'll
bye.
go next.
Yeah.
I'll go next.
What is that? This is a relay race, huh? I'll go next time.
I thought if multiple people will start talking, I should say. So it
Yeah,
was nice
please.
working with you. So unfortunately, I didn't work with him too much. I think only for one effect we worked. Another one which we were supposed to work on never got started or something. But still, because after joining, when he joined around the time, it was when I joined back after my maternity break. So even I used to go to him to ask this new setup issues and all, and he was always ready to help. Very helping and decent person.
Huh?
You ask him to do anything, I think help-wise, he's ready to help anyone for anything, which is one good thing.
Nobody knew these things there.
It looks like that Prakhar got harassed a lot.
Ask me for some help. Like that comes under that. So people have their domains to ask, approach me. So
he has put people in buckets, man. So if you fall in a specific bucket, only for that bucket he will address you.
There is a bucket for 3 to 6.
But don't talk about buckets. He might have several buckets over there, here, there.
It's nap time for Pillai.
No, I need to have lunch after this, no?
You just had your lunch, na?
You have
You
to
have
have
to
that's
fruits
do
fruits.
also
That's,
in mind.
that's the entree,
So
like
all the
probably
best.
the starters actually.
All the best, Prakhar, for your future.
Yeah, he requires a lot of fishes actually because he is in different direction.
Yeah. All the best for all the directions and all.
Thank you, Manisha.
Yeah. So Prakhar, just tell us any specific reason to join SAP in SAP also that particular team, or you had in mind? Or
You know,
just
options are more. Prashant, options are more there. Here, very limited options are there.
There he doesn't have to care about team also. Any team is okay.
Yeah. Hey, many interns joined right now in our floor. So many people.
Where?
No,
Not
it's
in our
really
team, na?
but it's okay on the same floor, right?
It was never about team, man. It was about company. So he was in organizing.
Yeah.
Greenhorn, na? You see, wherever this welcoming new hire giving this all poster. He was our poster boy for
What was that? What was that other team, na? Where he goes for the organize some event and all?
Fun
That other
committee.
lady was there, na?
Fun committee. Fun
No. Thrive. Some other Harini or some other girl also was there, na?
And I'm suspecting there only he got recruited for his team in SAP.
Yeah, there he was talking to a lot of SAP guys actually. Some lady, actually there is some lady whom used to have meeting, na?
To be honest, he was the one conducting all the events. Like I was just helping.
He is the brand ambassador, no? This guy is a brand ambassador. So
for what, Ashok? What is he brand ambassador of?
I don't know the name. What is that, man? Usual Prakhar. I think I've seen that. I forgot.
The Thrive.
Thrive.
You're talking about the Thrive. Yeah, they conducted some. They brought some stand-up comedy. Na? For that, this guy was there. Huh?
Pillai is thriving in Ariba from last 20 years.
I am thriving for 20 years actually.
Now only he's getting success, but he was thriving for.
So now Nitin.
I can go. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So So I think I wish all the best to Prakhar first of all, and with him I think I could see the exuberance of youth definitely. I mean, the energy, the
that's new terms, the exuberance of youth and all.
Exuberance, yeah. The energy levels. So that actually brought in and definitely a spark in the team, and people looked at him as like younger brother or something like that. I mean, a younger kid in the team.
Brother.
So I hope. I hope definitely lot of I mean, good wishes will go with him. I mean, definitely people will. Seeing him like his own brother. So definitely, I mean, I mean, he looks like very cool. But when I discussed with him, he was very pretty much, he knows what he has to do in his career and how to grow and how all those things he knows. So I think that's good to get all those things at early age.
And he's still here.
Yeah. So,
who knows about career? I'll still here in this one call.
So that's all good things, and yeah, definitely team is going to miss him. And I think Prashant
Nitin,
will miss him.
Yeah, Nitin, just a compliment. Are you preparing for GRE, GMAT, something or?
Yeah, no man, all those things are gone now. Like, I think past. All these are past now. So yeah, so team is definitely going to miss one more time, I could say, and I wish all the best in your new role or whatever role you've taken in SAP Labs. And I hope Mr. could be done, as and when.
You're still considered to be a part of this cricket team, so don't register yourself in any other cricket team over there.
It's like
Okay. Yeah, that's it from my side, guys. I wish all the best.
Yeah, because according to our team owner, we cannot move. You are the only guy who can jump and crash everything.
No, I don't know whether if he irritates me, I will sell him off also.
Hey,
he will be in the team if I decide, not his decision. It's my decision whether he's there in the team or not.
No, you should consult the captain also first.
Who cares about the captain? Who cares about the captain who is only in audio?
Vinay is there.
Yeah.
Hey, you don't have the power, da. You are only in the ground. In the ground, you can say anything. Outside the ground, you don't have any power.
Team is as good as the captain.
No,
you don't have that Anushka. You don't have Anushka Sharma, and you are not Virat Kohli.
Anushka Sharma.
Vinay, players will play on the ground. Pillai will play off the ground.
Master Prakhar, ask your disciple not to quarrel here. This is not the ground to compete. There are other platforms where you compete. This is that.
Yeah, I know it.
Why?
Hey, Bishwa came back. Now Bishwa came back.
Vishwanath.
Bishwa, you did a shave, quick shave.
He did a shave? You did a shave?
Quick shave. Quick shave.
No. When Vishwa realized Raj is not there, he switched on his video.
I know, yeah. There was some setting issues. I had to resolve.
He was waiting until Raj exits, huh?
No, I was watching who looks older than
Yeah.
me.
Yeah, Ashok also keep back.
Yeah.
Huh?
Ashok also switched on the video now.
He was there.
He wants to say whether
All the
Bishwa is
best,
there
Prakash.
still. Oh, Madesh. Yeah, continue, Madesh. Continue,
Yeah.
Madesh. He was your neighbor, da. He was your neighbor.
Yeah. I think he joined just before me, if I'm not wrong.
No. He joined long back in different form. He was here as a trainee.
Trainee, okay.
Earlier he was a ghost.
That was.
That
So
itself.
when I joined, he was the only person I think who was young and fresh. Rest all were very much experienced.
PK note करो ये बात. PK.
Yes, she's a
Pillai.
picture of word, experienced rather than old.
Yeah.
You are rubbing a
Sorry?
salt to Pillai's wound, man. Don't do it.
Hey, otherwise, see, look at yourself, da. Look at me. Who looks young and who looks old?
Hey, you are.
Pillai, you can't
You are
even sit
sleeping.
down, man.
Dude, you are sleeping like an old man. I'm standing and sitting.
Hey, this is a Maharaja style, da. Maharaja one.
Old Maharaja, dude. Old Maharaja, not young one.
You people are the worker class. You will be sitting and watching. I am the Maharaja guy. I will be lying down and listening.
Yeah, team owner.
Okay, Madesh.
Yeah. So I didn't get chance to work with him. Maybe the last 1 or 2 months we worked on some couple of issues. Other than that,
Get a chance if you join this Prakash team there in SL.
You know,
not
if you want the chance, huh?
okay, good luck, man. All the best. Hope you found the right team. Hope you'll get the right companion there.
Yeah. That is important.
Yes, companions. Why? Who want a companion?
Yeah. Who wants the team? No, say who wants the team?
Madesh,
Yeah,
he has already found all sorts of companions.
Yeah,
All
guys,
the-
guys, because kids around, so please be careful.
Naresh, Vinay, Pradeep, all are here.
Yeah.
Paddy or Naresh, Tara, you should all speak.
Where is Paddy?
Paddy is there.
There is a Pradeep.
Pradeep, okay.
Pradeep is
Who is
there. But
Who is Redmi?
Redmi is Alok.
I think Nagarjun.
No,
Oh, Redmi is Alok. Pradeep, I know.
Hey, Paddy, can you turn on your video?
And audio also. You are on mute.
No, we've not even seen him after that accident that had happened, so we don't even know.
He is not going to raise his leg and show you, na?
Harry wants to confirm whether the accident happened or not. Harry wants to confirm.
Hey,
Harry wants
Now he has to show his leg and walk also.
Yeah, he has to show his leg.
And also walk for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, now
Yeah, he has to show whether he can walk and all.
Michael Jackson moonwalk करता है अभी आज कर सकता
That guy left, Paddy left.
He ran away.
Maybe he will join it. He's there.
No,
he's there.
He's there.
Hey, Paddy, can you talk?
He's
Paddy,
unmuted.
mic is
Yeah.
Hey, Paddy. He's on mute.
Naresh,
Oh,
do you
some
want
problem.
to
Some
talk?
problem. Naresh, you are still. You are not even moving. I moved. Naresh moved.
Better if you need cakes and other things, man, which you have ordered.
My kid is laughing when listening to you. I say, "Jaake काम कर."
Hey, this is a new T-shirt, huh?
This is the
New
same
t-shirt.
shirt.
Then,
Oh.
Why red color?
Why red color?
This is Shukla ji has been doing. And yeah, you.
So what else did you get, Prakhar?
I got samosa and kachori as well from you guys. Thank
Wow. Very nice. Very nice.
Nice.
प्रखर सबका एड्रेस लेके सबको भेजो समोसा और कुछ
एक समोसा.
Hey Prakhar, hope बासी नहीं है भाई.
That's good, da. Hey, Prasad, good, da. That's a good batch.
Thank you.
Keep playing, man. Keep playing.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Thank you.
Hey, Naresh.
समोसा कचौरी
continue.
hopefully बासी नहीं है. प्रखर ताजा है ना? समोसा ताजा है ना?
हाँ, ये वाला ताजा है.
कोरोना फ्री है ना? कोरोना फ्री?
नहीं ताजा है ना, कोरोना होगा उसमें.
This is the first priority.
Naresh, Vinay, Alok,
हाँ, बताओ पीके.
please share something
Hey,
about
Naresh
your
wanted-
guru.
Naresh wanted to talk. I think the Naresh was trying to speak. I could see him.
Yeah, Naresh, start.
Yeah, I
Start,
just want to
Naresh.
say
Naresh,
thanks.
start. Thanks. Don't say thanks, da. He has not done anything great. Don't say thanks. I am the only one who will say thanks to him. Other than that,
Even
nobody
I-
has got anything from him.
He worked in background.
Even I can say.
Hey, you should record this. You should record this, Prakhar. Please saying thanks to you.
Being friendly with the team.
Pille, even I can say that.
I know you have.
Vinay, no, you are not. You are not.
Hey guys, Naresh is talking, man.
Okay.
Okay, Naresh, we will not
Now
stop
Pradeep
you.
is there.
Hey, Paddy came back. Paddy came back.
Paddy is there.
Paddy.
So who will speak now?
So,
Naresh, Paddy,
lift your hand.
Paddy.
Thanks, Prakhar.
Show your hand.
Paddy, Ashok want to see your leg. Show the leg.
No, like, I want to see you
You have to-
moonwalk, Paddy.
Your leg, guys.
Paddy, moonwalk,
Shake
moonwalk.
your leg. Shake your leg.
Okay. Sorry, Naresh, start. Continue. Sorry.
Yeah. Thanks, Prakhar, for being friendly with the team. And I know you worked in the background for so many events. You are in so many birthday parties and all. You helped the team. Thanks for it. And keep doing the same in your next upcoming job also.
That is.
All the best.
Thank you, Naresh.
Okay,
Paddy, your
Naresh.
Excel import counterpart. Paddy, you should talk.
Hey, Paddy, we are not able to hear anything.
Paddy, are you speaking something?
He is on mute. He's on mute.
Now he is on mute. Now you are on mute.
Now on mute, yes. Yeah.
No, he's on mute.
You are on mute now. Yeah, now its mute is gone, but then your mic is not working.
Sitara, you want to talk? I can see you. Do you want to talk?
Everybody is on mute.
Yeah, I want to wish Prakhar for his future endeavors. All the best, man.
Future endeavors, nobody knows that. It's all his endurance are all risky things
so,
actually.
So, Pille, whatever hidden endeavors, okay, nobody knows whatever is hidden endeavors.
But they're all risky, da.
Even I am saying something.
No, I think he's ready to take risk. That's why he's moving.
Hey, Prashant, one of the twin, huh?
Full family को दिखाओ, full family. आपका तीन.
Wow.
Oh, that guy ran away.
Wow.
Who's the naughtiest, that mischievous guy?
This guy is the little Prakhar.
He's a mischievous guy, yeah?
Prashant ji is actually scared कि मेरे से ना निकले.
Another one.
This is another one like
He's
Chile
silent
who is
one?
learning from Prakhar.
No. Okay, did you guys know that Prakhar is also one of the twins?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's right.
Oh, I never knew, man. Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
So this guy.
That's your daughter. She's a silent one.
No. She's the. Yeah.
Elder.
Yeah, hi. So she's silent one, and these two are the mischievous one, huh?
No. See that the younger one. He started working on the keyboard itself. Yeah, see? Okay. So Ashwin.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah.
Hello. Say hi to everybody.
Now, Ready? Your mic's working now?
Ooh, why? Yeah. Wife is working. Wife is going. That's it's one. I am the what is it? Nanny now.
You are the babysitter now.
It's going to rain here. My place is going to rain.
Yeah, yesterday it was
raining heavily here also, man, in Bangalore. Pillai. Raining ko bahut zyada hai. It is very much.
On the light.
It's pouring here.
Vinay.
Yeah, who is the next one? Vinay.
The captain of the Indian cricket team.
Hey, Vinay, your guru.
Yeah.
Even though he couldn't train you like he trained me.
Like you are Tendulkar, Vinay is Kambali of Ramakant Achrekar.
Vinay actually enrolled a bit late.
Who?
Vinay enrolled.
Oh, he joined very late, na?
He enrolled to my classes a bit late.
A bit late, yeah. So he didn't get the full coaching actually. He is only in the initial lessons actually.
I think Vinay is not listening. He's not able to hear, I think. Alok, you want to say something?
Let me Alok.
Yeah, I'll go next. The thing was, this week also Prakhar worked with me for a bug. I couldn't. I was really amazed the way the dedication he has towards this work. Seldom I see people doing that. So, and I always during the cricket matches I always see him that he would always be pushed to the boundary line because he was the only guy who could run so fast to catch the ball. Thanks so much for your enthusiasm and your energy, Prakhar. It really, as Shukla ji told, it rubs on everybody. The same.
And Alok, you know how many runs how many fielding he missed it actually.
Yeah, he did a lot of misfielding this time.
Yeah, and you people are saying that he's running around boundary and all.
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't take it. I think he missed one catch. That's it. And that too, that was, I think sun was beaming down his eyes. That's the only thing. Other than that,
you are giving excuses for his stuff, huh?
Yeah. What is this?
No, I was almost on the same boat as him because I was also pushed back, but not at least on the inner circle. He was always on the outer circle.
Yeah, he has missed it. Like how many boundaries he has lost actually? We gave a lot of runs because of him.
No, because the ball was to fly over his top of his head. It never used to come on the ground.
Now you don't tell that was cricket ball. That was not tennis. You don't give just reasons for it.
No, I don't know how our team owner is differing with me on this, but the whole team I think would agree on this.
No. I have points to discuss here. I am disappointed with a lot of people on fielding.
Pillai, we should not talk of cricket. If you will talk about last tournament, Prakhar will feel embarrassed here. When we were waiting for him in the ground, he was playing off the ground.
He is a good player on.
Yeah, Alok, continue, but don't give him false credit actually.
No, I don't think so. I did give him a false credit. I think the credit he deserves it very much. So that's what, and very little of it which I gave. And the next thing is that I actually gave him a subtle hint that I actually congratulated him to discuss on an issue, and still we discussed over the issue. I thought he won't discuss over the issue because he's anyway leaving, but he didn't do that. That level of professionalism I did find in him.
Hey, so, he's telling SAP, we will kick him if you don't.
He thought we'd not discuss about the defect.
Pillai, you are still in Ariba. You are not sharing your mobile number to call you.
I don't need to. No, hey, people need to approach me. I don't approach anyone. I don't approach anyone. People approach me. That's a difference between Praja and Raja.
Now, Vinay.
ये लॉकडाउन में भी प्रजा और राजा क्या चल रहा है?
So in this case, Ashok is Praja and you are Raja, is it?
Yeah, everybody is Praja. I am the only one who is locked up.
Isn't that the opposite? Because you are locked.
No, Raja always sits in the palace. People roam around.
No, King has gone on a self-exile mode. That's the problem.
I think few more people are remaining. I can see just I number. I can see just
Yeah,
I
yeah.
number.
Who is I numbers guy? I number guys.
Vinay.
One is Vinay.
Hey, before that, Prakhar, all the best, Prakhar. I have to leave. I have to drop off. Yeah, Pillai, bye. PK and everyone.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ashok.
All the best. Yeah, bye.
Hey, Harry, rich house, man.
Huh? Sorry?
Very rich people's house. First time I'm seeing.
Hey, you should have seen Praveen Babu.
Thanks.
See, Pillai ka dekho. Pillai ka makeshift house is only like this. Quarantine room is like this. Okay, think is the original room.
See, Pillai is Raja.
Normally,
Vinay,
also
all
his
QA
family
members
members
have
put
like
him
this,
in
I guess.
quarantine only.
Pillai is Raja. We have accepted it. First time I'm looking at a rich man's house.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, Ashok, for this opportunity.
Yeah.
Chalo, bye,
Okay, bye, Ashok. Who is next? Vinay, continue.
Hey, Prakhar.
Yeah, hi Vinay.
Thanks for the same thing what you did to Pillai and me. Zindagi mein
Yeah, but you didn't continue.
What should I continue?
You dropped up in between.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling him. The amount of girls I hadn't seen in the whole life, he showed me in 2 days.
Oh my God.
Like in
Now
Mahabharata,
the discussion is going to next level now.
In Mahabharata, Ved Vyas gave extra eyes to Sanjay.
Thanks, Prakhar.
For that,
Welcome.
welcome. He saying thanks. Okay, welcome for the link.
Seriously, thanks, Prakhar.
Hey, Vinay, you can still continue. He is in SAP only. So you can continue the lessons which are left.
Yeah, we'll surely continue.
But he has opened the door for him. Sorry, he just need to walk in now.
Yeah.
Prakhar opened the door for him. Now he just have to walk. Vinay just need to walk. That's all.
But unfortunately, I closed the door after 2 days.
Yeah. It's a auto lock actually. It came and locked when she crossed herself.
Yeah, it was overwhelming for me. So closed the door.
You need some moral support. I will come back. I will give you support later.
Thanks, Pillai.
I think one more Soumya is there.
Who is one more Soumya?
No, one more person remaining to talk. I think Soumya only. I078. 78 will before me. It will be Soumya only.
Who is that? 78901.
Soumya only. He's on mute.
Hey, Nagarjun was there. Where did Nagarjun go?
Actually, this call is very long, so many people that data has been finished.
Oh, is it?
No, this is very heavy call. This call is very heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yeah. So that's why I'm not on video.
Okay.
I'm using somebody else's dongle just for the meeting.
Okay.
Thank you, Vinay.
So, but you can see us now. You are still using video, no?
Yeah. No, I'm not sharing.
Then your network is still going off.
Yeah.
Okay, who is next now?
I think Prakhar only.
Prakhar. Hey, Biswa. You didn't shave? I can see your white hair, da. So you apply dye on your hair, huh?
हमें टॉपिक कहां से कहां लेके जा रहा है?
Hey, see da, everyone look at him da. Look at his beard and look at his hair.
That is true.
Hey, Bishwa,
he never proved it.
Don't worry.
But everything should be grey, da. This is like half white, black and half this one.
Okay.
It's full salt, not salt and pepper. This is full salt only.
No, Pillai. He has dyed the hair actually.
That's what I'm
Beard
saying.
he forgot.
He has made.
Yeah.
He's dyed everything.
No. Salt is the beard.
Beard he forgot.
Salt?
Salt is the beard. Pepper is the hair. That is what he's trying to convey.
Okay.
Let's come back to Prakhar now.
Yeah.
Okay. Let him continue now.
Okay, so thank you all, by the way. Like, not just today, it's been like for 2 years, more than 2 years. And this was my first team which I joined.
Hey, show your emotion, da. It should be emotional. What is this? You should show your emotion. Sad, not your eyes should roll.
Yeah.
So
You should roll.
so this was my first team, which like in my entire career it will always be there. Like it will always be there in my like something which I will remember because I started my professional life with this team. Although the intern team was there, but yeah, it's full time to talk about. And definitely, I can say like this is the most happening team in Ariba because we have all the events like being conducted, whether it's internal events and external participation as well. Like different events are there, and like today, if you take those, like I got cake, samosa, kachori, and badminton racket, everything in this shirt as well. So I don't think so any other team is gonna like, and in this lockdown, if you just talk about if it is a normal office day. So it's been a good thing. And now if you talk about some key members which I worked along with. So I remember the first day, I remember it was with Soumya I worked along. She helped me in setting up the build, getting to know the product and all. Then PK has always been there. Like be it office, like something office related, something outside the office. Shukla ji, he's my like lunch mate, my neighbor. We share a lot of things like office work and some other technical stuff we talk about a lot. Then Yogi is always there. Biswa also. Biswa, like Biswa was. You didn't mention about the ride, the bike ride that you were on the bike. I thought you mentioned that. So Biswa was actually scared that I took a left at around 40 kilometers per hour. So I was like, okay, that's normal. Yeah, it was fun. Yogesh, yeah, we used to go for snacks in the evening together when we shifted to this Eco-World office. Madesh, yeah, in the like when we worked on the like last 3-4 months back, we worked together. Pradeep, Thara, I worked like a lot closely with Pradeep during my feature. Then Thara also, which I worked recently. Manisha ji has always been there, like to have fun talk, something like me, Manisha, PK, even Naresh. So it's been like fun everywhere. Then coming to Ashwin and Raj. First, I'll talk about Ashwin. So like the best thing is like he is not like a manager to me. Like I never felt like I'm talking to a manager. It's always like a normal conversation.
झूठ मत बोलना.
And it's like very true. Like I don't know like they have this.
He was never there for you to talk anything.
Vinay,
okay, that might.
Vinay, Prakhar is moving to SAP and Ashwin's what to say appreciation will matter there also in next appraisal.
Yeah. Reference call will come.
Yeah.
Correct.
So yeah, but it's always like not talking to a manager, but talking to a person like okay, be it anything. Like he never pressurized me. It was always like okay, this is the task, this is the thing. It's not like deadlines. If I'm stuck anywhere, he'll guide me. Like you can talk to that one, you can talk to him, or you can just come to me about things. And he was always there to help me with my extracurricular things as well. Like it was never like, no, you should not because you are actually doing like this office work. So like if you talk about the Thrive program or other certain things, the trainings which I went went through. So he was always there to support me with that. So that's a big thing. Like I don't think so many managers have those things. Like they have those things. Like we should get a work done. That's it. So that was a good.
So you're referring to other managers also here.
Yeah, there are no other managers in the call. No, there are no other managers in the call. Harry also left.
To be honest, I'm afraid about that's like okay. So Ashwin just I don't know. He just made me get comfortable when it comes to the manager and the employee conversation. So yeah. Then Raj was also there with me. So he pushed me for some certain features and taking the normal.
Not record. Raj left.
Yeah.
He might want to share something which can be shared in his absence only.
Yeah.
Listen,
but you should know that it's been recorded and it will be shared with Raj also.
Yeah, no, this you should cross Pillai PK. You should cross check the list once.
Yeah, definitely.
So then even Alok I worked with, like recently I worked on some defects along with him. Then there are people like I worked almost with everyone, I guess. Like beat some certain effects or beat some organizing some event or like a birthday or something of farewell or something. So I always interacted like I guess I've interacted with everyone in the team. So it's no one like, okay, no, I didn't interact with. So, okay, I'm sorry about the new joinees because we didn't get time to interact much. Then Pillai and Vinay, special. We like especially Pillai. We used to have some special talks after the 6 p.m.
After 6 p.m. or 8 p.m.
8 p.m. doesn't happen. 8 p.m. doesn't happen. Sorry.
You can go till 9, 10. Depends how long we are staying in the office. But it was fun because it was not just about the app, but yeah, the Ariba's whole system as well. Now SAP Ariba and everything as well. So definitely Pillai is like the best guy to talk about the product, like Ariba product and SAP product. Like he's the best guy. Like, and he'll definitely have something to tell you. He never like have hard, like only like I can't even remember the time he said like, okay, I have no clue about it. He has something to tell you. Okay, this is the thing.
That should be told when Babu and Ashok was there. Nah? What is the point telling it now?
You should have asked me to speak then.
Hey, anyways, we are recording this. Recording will hear.
Okay, I will cut that and send it to those people actually now. Yeah.
I'll just get the clip.
Yeah.
Vinay helped me a lot during like when he joined. He helped me like what all opportunities I can go and pursue. So it was like a very not a professional, but very helping like a friend, normal friend. Like what are the opportunities you should go ahead? What should you explore? Even then, like he called me some last week, so he helped me like, okay, you should go ahead with this. You can go ahead with that. Even Nitin helped me with a lot with my not just professional development, but my personal development as well. So there are a lot of people who helped me. Like to be honest, like it was like from everyone. Like you, I guess the experience you have, I got to know that. Like okay, yeah. So this is the things which after like 5 years I should be considering and I should be taking into consideration everything. So it was a nice experience altogether. And anyways, I'm part of SAP. I don't know about the email ID and the iNumber, but definitely on the Slack and Teams, you can obviously search me with the name. I don't think so. There are very few people with my name, so you can obviously search me over there and contact me.
Don't
and
worry,
people
Prakash, we have that mobile number. Don't worry, you're always here.
And you, most of the folks have my personal number as well, so I'm very much available on WhatsApp or even if you call me. Not in the morning. Not in the morning.
So you will keep arranging
after 11,
and all things, na?
Sorry?
You will keep arranging cakes and all.
Sure. Even I was wondering this cake. Then when I read the thing on the cake, right, the text, I was like, this is Pillai.
पर तुम्हें व्हाइट फील्ड में कोई हलवाई ढूंढना पड़ेगा जो बासी गुजिया ना देता हो, ये ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा.
Thank you everyone, man. Seriously, thank you. It's been a good thing, like how I'm gonna start it. I'll take a lot of things from this team, like not the personal skills and the professional skills both. Like how like good a team is, like how should a team be, not that like just like having so personal grudges or something.
SAP doesn't have exit interview, no? He has done the whole exit interview stuff here.
Okay,
but then Prakar, let me tell you one thing. All things whatever said is right, but your emotion didn't come out. So you were waiting for that emotional stuff to come out actually. So we didn't see that. You were always showing that you are something happy. You are escaping from this one. So the feeling which you gave us is basically you are running away from here.
Being happy is also emotional.
Pillai, he might want to pull his disciples also. 2 disciples. The most wanted bachelors.
Sorry.
Increase the age average in the new team. No.
If I move out, your team is screwed. And moreover, I have got all the trainings. I don't require any more his help actually. Prashad, tell me.
You forgot to, learn the final lesson, dude. No matter what is happening, never show the emotion and reserve that emotion for some other things.
Different bucket.
Really
different
act.
bucket. Shukla ji,
Where you have
different
to really
bucket.
act.
Yeah.
So that is the difference between the disciple and master. Master
Yeah.
shows does something else. Okay, so you need to be master of that, showing something and
Yeah.
doing.
I got it, Prashant. I got it.
Maybe Prashant can help you.
Guru is showing his guru skill. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. I got it. Okay. Now,
Yeah,
so done the event.
Once, like, I'll come and meet Luke. Like, it's not like a proper farewell, I guess. Like, not a farewell, like a goodbye. I'll come. And
We are
meet
not going.
everyone.
We are not doing any other farewell. Don't expect that and come.
Just come and meet me. I'll come and meet you.
Yeah, that you can come out. Your
Don't
access card
forget
also
to
will
get
work.
your
You can come in. So
Yeah, don't forget to get your wallet also.
So not an issue.
yeah.
Hello, man. Take care.
Okay,
Take
bye
care.
bye. All the
Enjoy.
best. All the best.
Bye bye. All the
Bye-bye.
best.
Yeah,
Thanks,
bye,
Prakash.
Prakar. All the best.
Bye.
Ashwin,
Bye. Bye.
Ashwin,
Bye.
Probably was the longest farewell for a well-deserved Prakar, right?
Ashwin,
Yeah, let's have a clap.
Great sport. Thanks for everything.
Hey,
one
thanks
thing
for
I
all
want
the
to say,
lessons.
this platform
Yeah,
we
Praveen.
can use for something else also, some other fun event also, that Zoom thing.
Yep.
Yeah. That doesn't mean that everyone has to leave. People doesn't have to resign to make this event happen.
Yes.
And I'm not going to give budgie for people who resign. Definitely, that's a long old story. Don't expect that I will give budgies for people who resign from here. Okay, that's an old story. Okay. Bye bye.
Special thanks.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye for everyone. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you. Thanks, PK.
Bye.
Thanks, Pillai.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Thanks,
Thanks, guys.
Tuklaji,
Bye.
for arranging all the
Thank you.
gifts.
Yeah.
Who is a small kid?
Yogi ji Junior,
My kid.
Yogi ji Junior.
Junior architect.
Junior Yogi.
Bye bye. Bye.
Special
He
thanks.
says 3-1 high NL. Eh?
Special thanks to Praveen for organizing this.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Chalo,
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank